Namo Himalaya everyone. I am Priya, Law of Attraction and Manifestation Coach. Today in this session, I am going to deliver some affirmations that's going to help you to overcome fearful anxiety and bring confidence in life. So before that, I would like you to sit in a comfortable place. Bring your all attention towards yourself. Close your eyes and listen to the affirmations by using your headphone or anything that can bring your complete attention. I value myself. I can overcome every obstacle that comes my way. I believe in my abilities. Every challenge I overcome is a success. I have everything I need for success. I am stronger than my fears. I can face every challenge. I don't need validations from others to know how good I am. I am in complete control of my emotions. I can express my true self. I can achieve everything I want. When I set my mind on something, I won't stop until I reach it. I already have everything I need for success. It's okay to leave my comfort zone. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. My mood doesn't depend on other people's opinions. Every day I become a better version of myself. I am grateful for my journey. I accept compliments from others. I can let go of my all insecurities. I can express my emotions. I don't have to stay around people that don't make me happy. I am stronger than I think. There is nothing I am afraid of. It's okay to fail because that's the road to success. I learn something from my every experience. I deserve to feel good about myself. I can embrace my flaws and imperfection easily. I love how I look. My happiness and well-being are important. Nobody has the right to make me feel less worthy. Every day is another chance to shine. My family and friends enjoy spending time with me. I don't have to waste time on people whose company I don't enjoy. I am a good person who deserves to be treated with respect. I see myself walking confidently into every situation. I am not afraid of the unknown. I look forward to the future. I am not scared of taking risks. The risks are my growth. I don't need to overanalyze. I can get over mental blocks. Every day is an opportunity to be better. I do my best every day, like every day is my last day. I can overcome every setback. I don't have to apologize for my emotions and attitudes. The road to improvement is paved with challenges, and I can overcome all of them. I am motivated to become the best version of myself because I am worthy. I am grateful for everything I have accomplished so far. I create my destiny. I celebrate and reward myself for every win, no matter how small it may seem. I know I am making the right choices in life. I believe in my abilities and decisions and my responsibilities towards myself. I radiate with confidence. People around me can feel it. I constantly aspire to improve myself. My competition is to my past, not with anyone. I trust my gut feeling. I do what I can do. I don't need other people's opinions to not to do what I love to do. I know I don't have to be perfect. Perfection is just an illusion, but I just do my best. I am loved for who I am. My emotions matter. I choose myself today. I am thankful for the joy in my life. I feel endless love and empathy for those around me. I emanate love. I deserve all the love that comes my way. I am beautiful because I feel beautiful. I am at absolutely peace about my past because I know I can't change it. I radiate happiness. I am in control of my actions. I am confident in myself. I see the positive in all things in my life. I can achieve anything if I keep trying, even when things get tough. I am beautiful inside and out. I have an open and loving heart. I am so much grateful to universe for everything